Good morning, children. Hope all are enjoying at home with their parents and siblings. Today, in EVS, we are going to learn a new lesson, the world of animals. Children, do you know what are animals? Animals are living things. They are having eyes, ears, nose, mouth, legs and tail, etc. They are not fixed to one place like plants. They can move from one place to another place. Some animals can live on land, example, cow, goat, etc. Some animals can live in water like fish. Some can fly in the air like birds. Children, have you seen an elephant? How does it look like? It's very big. Children, have you seen a wall lizard? How does it look like? It's very small. Like that, some animals are very small like squirrels, frogs, etc. Some animals are very big like hippopotamus, whales, etc. Some animals are medium sized like horse, donkey, lion, etc. In this class, we are going to learn about types of animals and homes of animals. Types of animals. There are two types of animals. One is domestic animals and second is wild animals. Children, let us learn about domestic animals. Some animals live near us and are helpful to us. For example, cow gives milk, hen gives eggs, horse can pull the cart. They are tamed. Tamed means trained animals. These domestic animals are trained for many years by human beings for domestic purposes. So, they have changed from their wild nature to domestic nature. So, these animals are called as tamed animals. Domestic animals are of two types. One is farm animals and another is pet animals. Let us see about farm animals. Some animals are grown on a farm for food or for domestic purposes. Example, cow, goat, sheep, buffaloes, etc. These animals are called as farm animals. What are pet animals? Some animals can be grown for entertainment purpose. Example, cat, dog, parrots, etc. These are called as pet animals. Children, let us learn about wild animals. Children, in zoo, the wild animals are kept inside cages because they are dangerous to us. The wild animals live in the forest in nature. They cannot be tamed. That means they cannot be trained for domestic purposes by human beings. Examples for wild animals are lion, tiger, cheetah, etc. Animal homes. Different animals live in different homes. Like us, animals also need home for living because the home of an animal protect them from surrounding atmosphere and also protect young ones from their enemies. Let us see the different homes of animals. Lion lives in a den. What is a den? It's a hole made on the sides of rocks by nature. That holes are used as a home by lions. These holes are called as dens. Dogs live in a kennel. Kennels are dogs' home made by human beings. Hen lives in a coop. Coops are hen's home made with wood by the human beings. Birds live in a nest. Birds build their nest with the help of dry leaves, twigs, thread, old cloth, etc. They build nests to lay eggs and for protecting young ones from their enemies. Horse live in stable. Stable is a house-like structure built by human beings for horses to live in. Rabbits live in burrows. A rabbit makes burrows in the soil. The burrows are having many rooms-like structures. They store their food in that rooms and also keep their young ones safely inside the burrows. Burrows are not visible from outside. Honeybees live in hive. Honeybees construct the beehive with the help of their saliva. Beehives have many rooms. They collect honey from flowers and store the honey in their rooms. Cows live in shed. Shed is a human-made homes for cows. Ants live in ant hills. Ants dig the soil from the ground and make ant hills. Inside the hills of soil, they save their food and also keep and protect their young ones. Children, up to this, we have completed half of the lesson. Let us summarize the lesson. We have learnt about domestic animals. They are of two types, farm animals and pet animals, wild animals and animal homes. Children, hope all would have understood the lesson. Thank you, children. Have a great day.